Hello and welcome to the home activity plan for the week of March 8th through 12th. So these are the activities that we will be doing this week. The first one is My Shape Pizza. Then we will be doing My Shape Poem, Nature Hunt, and Rain Experiment. Ooh, sounds like we're going to have lots of fun this week. So let's get more in detail into each activity. So for the first one, it is My Shape Pizza. And for this one, we're going to be focusing on cognitive development, literacy, which includes concepts of print and word. So as you can see right here, it has the words of the shapes, which this activity goes with this handout that you got as well. It says My Shape Pizza recipe. So, this is your chance to talk about, that we use recipes to guide us when cooking, right? Yeah, so it kind of gives us directions as to how to make our pizza or whatever it is that we're making. So right here, it says, I used blank shape. So you could say, I used 5, squares. So they can write the number kind of like over here in this example. The child wrote the number right there, depending on that shape. So if they want to cut up 3 squares, then they would write 3. So it is up to them, as how many shapes they want to use. So, I would talk about, the shapes, the sides, counting the amount of shapes that they have. So, and then talking about your favorite topping, right, that you like on your pizza. Yeah. All right, so for the next activity that we have is shape poem. So for this one, go over the shape, help your child learn the poem. And we will be, reviewing this poem in our group Zoom a little bit more. So just kind of, encourage them to be familiar with it. Then for the next activity, the nature hunt. So for this one, you will be going on a nature hunt exploration walk with your child outside. Hand them a little bag where they could use to collect nature items that interest them. When you come back home inside, encourage your child to form shapes using the nature items that they've collected. So for example, if they've collected rocks, maybe they could form a heart using the rocks, or, a triangle using the rocks, and then this would be an awesome time to talk about the texture of the items that they've collected. Oh, it's bumpy. The rock is bumpy, right? Or it's smooth, or the color, right? So for this activity, we're going to be implementing a lot of cognitive development, such as investigation and knowledge in the natural world. And, you could even talk about the shape of the items you've gotten. Okay. And then for the next activity that we have, it is rain experiment. Oh, this one's so much fun. So for this one, you could either use scissors or just have your child tear up the tissue paper, different colors, have them glue it, or if not, use the paint and glue it onto paper. Okay. And then you're going to leave it outside and let the rain hit it. Okay. So if there is no rain, because I know our weather is changing so much, it's okay. You can maybe use a squirt bottle, or even, I would say sometimes I know that we've done it where we dip our fingers inside some water and then just kind of sprinkle some water on top with your fingers and, see what happens. But don't forget to ask the questions such as, what do you think will happen if we put water on it? Or what do you think will happen when the rain hits the tissue paper? What colors do you think it's going to make new colors? What do you think is going to happen to the tissue paper? And if you can just write those observations down, those predictions, right? Make sure you use that word prediction. Talk about what is prediction mean. So have them predict first, write down what they say, and then afterwards, let them investigate it. See what actually did happen, and then write down what happened at the end. Oh, the colors mixed. Oh, they used new color. Oh, the paper, maybe ripped. So write that language down and make sure that you send those pictures into your teacher. All right, guys. So I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you guys in Zoom. See you guys later. Bye.